again because the other one was really shaky. Right, this is a Lenovo T15 Gen 2. Gonna try and rush through this. You press F12 to get to the boot menu, and we pick the USB stick. This has Windows 10 on it because we want to get rid of the inbuilt Windows 11 and put 10 on. I don't know if this is on purpose, but it seems to be a bit shady that when you get into Windows 10, these were only released in 2021, but there is no mouse support, and essentially to try and seemingly to discourage you. And we can't seem to keep the camera still on this shot either. Anyway, the point of this video is coming up. Pick any install, and then we go to here, and you should see all the drives, but you can't because they're all invisible. I will explain that when we get into the BIOS. Right, so we're in the BIOS. You want to go to configuration. You want to go down to, let's go back, go to configuration, go down to Intel VMD and choose disabled, and then F10 and save. And we'll go back in, and you'll see that we can now see the drives. So we're booting from this stick again. This is related to the Intel VMD. If you go to the Lenovo site, it tells you there that when it's enabled, the NVMe SSD will become invisible to the operating system when you're doing installs like this. I'm struggling because I can't see the keyboard because the camera's in the way. And there you go, you can now see all the drives and wipe them how you see fit, and either put on a fresh Windows 11 or put on Windows 10. And that is it.